Hello guys, so welcome back to my channel. So we are unboxing Boardstone 1200F and see what is the specification. So specification is here: 9 hours playback with RGB light and Type C. It comes with the Type C interface and TWS feature also available in this, and multi or modes जैसे Bluetooth mode, V5.0 aux or USB FM radio and other things. So let's unbox it. So here is the some accessories. It comes with strap and some manuals is here with some stickers. And here is our main product.
Yo, let's go.
Cut, cut, cut.
Damn.
Cut, 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 cut.